Handle all of my business, I'm a boss, baby. No hills on my record, I never lost, baby. Ay, get out the way and let me floss, baby. Can't stop, ay, won't stop.
Alright, y'all, so I literally just got back from my mom's house not too long ago from washing my clothes that are over there. And it's dawned upon me that my apartment is literally a mess. It looks like a tornado hit my apartment. It is, I don't want to say disgusting filthy, but like in my eyes, it is disgusting filthy. Like, why did I let my place get like this? Why? I have not cleaned it or had it cleaned in I want to say 2 months now. Yeah, so I was supposed to have it cleaned before, or literally the day of Thanksgiving, and then something happened, the person didn't show up. So since then, it has not been cleaned. It has not been cleaned at all. Right now, it is 8:11, and I'm going to attempt to deep clean this entire place by like midnight. I don't know if that's gonna work out, but we shall see.
I think I started something. I got what I wanted. Didn't I? Can't feel nothing. Superhuman, even when I'm fucking Viagra, popping every single record. Auto tuning, zero emotion, muted emotion, pitch corrected, computed emotion. I blame it on a model bra with a Hollywood smile. Ow, stripper booty in a rack like wow. Brain like Berkeley, better at Coachella. I went to see Chica, she with the CC trip. Perfect, I took a seat on the ice cold dawn. She handed me an ice blue bong, whatever. She said she wanna be a dentist really bad. She's in school paying for tuition, doing porn in the fab. At least she working, but girl I can't feel my face. But I was smoking anyway. She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste it? Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby. I want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me numb. Love me now when I'm gone, love me none. Love me none, love me none. Numb, numb, numb. Sink full of dishes, pacing in the kitchen. Cocaine for breakfast. Yikes, bed full of women, flip on a tripod, little red light on, shooting, I'm feeling like Stanley Kubrick. This is some visionary shit, been trying to film pleasure with my eyes wide shut, but it keeps on moving. I blame it on a model bra with the Hollywood smile. Stripper booty with the rack like wow. I'll never forget ya, you put me on a feeling I never had, never had, never had. And ever since I've been trying to get it back, you pick it up, put it back. Now I'm something like the chemist on campus, but there's no drug around. I like what I found in you. I still can't feel my face. What am I smoking anyway? She said don't let the high go to waste. Can you taste it? Little taste it? Novocaine, baby, baby. Novocaine, baby. I want you. Fuck me good, fuck me long, fuck me numb. Love me now when I'm gone, love me none. Love me none, love me none. Numb, 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 numb. Novocaine, 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 Novocaine. Oh, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain, numb the pain. Novocaine. pity. All the pretty girls involved with me, making pretty love to me, pretty. Pity. Oh, I can't feel a thing. Can't feel a thing. Can't feel a thing. Can't feel it. I can't feel it. No, I can't feel it. No, I can't for the pain. I can't feel it. Novocaine.
Mr. Incredible made this beat. Mr. Incredible made this beat.
Oh my goodness. I'm suffering. I'm suffering. Ooh, my neck twitching. I'm going through it, bro. I don't think I want to be no housewife no more. You gotta do all this and cook. And it's not like I'm not capable of doing it. I just don't want to do it. I'm tired. Like, this little 1 bedroom, 1 bath whooped me. Whooped me. It is currently 12:43 and I think I did pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely skipped over some things like my I don't want to say TV stand, my dresser area right here. Even though it's not like a lot, I just didn't organize my jewelry for real. I didn't wipe all my walls. I only wiped, I think, 2 of them. I didn't mop in my room. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, this is my first time cleaning my own place. I've definitely had the cleaning people come once a month, every month since I've been living here. But last month, unfortunately, they blew it for the last time and I had to cancel. So it has been 2 months, I believe, since I have had my place cleaned. And I'm pretty proud of myself, if I can say. I'm pretty proud of myself. Here's my predicament now though. I'm tired, but I don't feel like taking a shower. Not even the fact that I don't feel like taking a shower, I don't want to shower in my freshly cleaned shower. That's the problem. That's indeed the problem. And I'm not like sweaty, stinky, but like I just feel hot and a little damp, you know? So I don't want to get in my freshly clean bed with my freshly washed sheets like this either. I don't know what to do. I'm probably going to sleep just like this. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm gonna get butt naked and get in the bed. No bullshit. All jokes aside. All jokes aside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, watching me clean, seeing me struggle, seeing me suffer. I will never do this again. Rather, I will never let my place get this level of dirty again. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in the next one.